رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Hi friends, welcome to Interactive Medicine. In this section, we can talk about the adrenal gland. The adrenal glands, also known as suprarenal glands, are endocrine glands that sit on the top of the kidneys. We can draw the right and left kidneys. This is the location of right suprarenal gland, and this is the location of left suprarenal gland. In humans, the right suprarenal gland is triangular in shape while the left suprarenal gland is semilunar shape. It is in pyramidal structure and weighs about 4 to 5 grams for each adrenal gland. The adrenal glands have the parts like it has two parts mainly, the cortex is the outermost and the medulla is the innermost, and the cortex is secreting it has three zones: glomerulosa forming aldosterone, and fasciculator forming glucocorticoids, and reticulata forming androgens. In medulla, it is the inner portion, and it forms the catecholamines, and it has the functions maintaining metabolic process such as managing blood sugar levels, regulating inflammation, regulating the balance of salt and water, controlling the fight or flight response to stress, maintaining pregnancy, initiating and controlling sexual maturation during childhood and puberty. The anatomy of the adrenal gland. So, the cortex is the outermost, and the medulla is the innermost portion. We can draw here the medulla. It is 1 by 5th of its the whole adrenal gland, and around we can see the adrenal cortex. It is 80 percentage of total, or 4 by 5th of total adrenal gland size. And the adrenal gland is covered by a fibrous tissue known as gyrotous fascia. Gyrotous fascia. The parts of adrenal gland. Each adrenal gland has two distinct structures, the adrenal cortex and medulla, both of which produces hormones. Cortex mainly produces cortisol, aldosterone and androgens, while the medulla chiefly produces epinephrine and norepinephrine. And norepinephrine is formed from chromaffin cells in the adrenal medulla. And the adrenal gland is steroid synthesis. The cortex produces steroid hormones, and I am going to describe the three zones and how they produce each hormones.